Looker Studio versus Excel. Which one should you choose in 2025? Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing Looker Studio and Excel in 2025. Both are powerful tools for working with data, but each has its own strengths and weaknesses. So which one should you choose? Let's take a look. Looker Studio. Looker Studio, formerly known as Google Data Studio, is a free and web-based tool designed for data visualization and reporting. It's perfect for creating interactive and customizable dashboards and reports, especially if you're working with data from different sources, such as Google Analytics, Google Sheets, or third-party integrations. One of the best features of Looker Studio is its ability to share reports easily with others, as it's cloud-based. Plus, it's beginner-friendly, allowing you to create professional-looking reports without any coding experience. However, Looker Studio is primarily focused on visualizations and reporting, and its analytical capabilities are more limited compared to Excel. Excel is a well-known spreadsheet tool that's been around for decades. It offers a wide range of features for both basic and advanced data analysis. With Excel, you can organize, analyze, and visualize data in various ways, from simple tables to complex formulas and pivot tables. Excel is ideal for working with datasets that don't require frequent updates, especially when you need to perform in-depth analysis or advanced calculations. Its flexibility in performing calculations and data manipulation is unmatched. However, Excel's visualization features aren't as robust or interactive as Looker Studio, especially when you need to create visually engaging reports or dashboards. Looker Studio excels in creating interactive, shareable reports with ease, particularly for businesses or teams who need to collaborate on data analysis. It's ideal for users who need powerful visualizations and integrations with other Google tools. Excel is a more comprehensive tool for data analysis and manipulation, offering extensive functionality when it comes to formulas, data cleaning, and processing. It's a better choice if you need to perform complex calculations, create advanced charts, or work with large datasets that require deep analysis. Conclusion: choose Looker Studio if you're looking for an easy-to-use tool for creating visually appealing, interactive reports and dashboards. It's perfect for teams, especially when collaborating on Google-based platforms. Opt for Excel if you need more powerful analytical capabilities and are working with large amounts of data that require detailed analysis, complex calculations, and in-depth data processing. So which tool will you choose? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next one.